The Khasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum had organized a first-of-its-kind program wherein Christian leaders and leaders of political parties participated in a conversation to discuss on the well-being and welfare of the people of Meghalaya. After the program, Bishop Emeritus of the Church of North India in Meghalaya, Reverend Lingdo, had informed media persons on the importance of apprising leaders of the state about the concerns to address current issues in a clear, clean manner. The forum had a discussion on 3 points that include the request to all political representatives to focus on good and respectful behavior with fellow men to enable them to do God's will in serving the people of the state while ensuring a bright future for the entire society, the need to utilize their mental ability in addressing concerns and issues of the state without being self-centered or politically focused, and lastly, the need to shun all forms of corruption that might destroy society and its people. Reverend Lingdo added that the forum is hopeful of true patriotic spirit in deed and action amongst all political representatives so as to bring about a positive change in society in particular and the state as a whole.
Jimu ca berkat ke ba kin pe ye ga jin iki egi jing don kam ke ba manta ba khmat immediate kita kilang budon kam hanrai mde bikin sipun kut on ngi dei tan san snem mengi tai dei tan sitam hanrai osnam the future ga lawe jong ga la ka sham ba ti ki ki no ki no bi khmat jong ki paj ba di ban don ka ta khmat ba ki di ban seng ban bo ya ki no rem trong cả lối trong cả chân là cái chỗ này các bà lại cái lòng bạn nhị bộ phát triển kỳ và cũng nó cái đây bạn giờ lệ đó dọc đây và kem đây bạn lòng kỳ và bám sập đi thằng hạt pisa bám sập cái por bám sập cái cam cái jam bám sập cái power authority cái berbun berkam cái jing bám sập cái kelapan wan cái bà penjat penpra ya ga imlang salang ya ke jelah jengi puroi te ko mengi menta namar ga jing perkhat tang ya lede tang parti le jong kenang paj ki parti kenang wan ki parti ki ba fair keni ga bakut shanu kan ya lam ke cha riu ga jong ten re ngi don ke jingkerman ba ta ki nong ya lam ki don ke jing ye ka ri ke jing ke basisha kam dei ha ka qualification ke jing ki kam dei ha ka spa ke jing ki ke jing shisha ka concern ye ka ri ke jaj ban rio bat kin pen pa ye ka ta om tang he ki kitin re hakikam